welcome to Keedly channel. In this video, I'm gonna open Littlest Pet Shop like you have seen before. What are we waiting for? Let's start! This is our first Littlest Pet Shop. So we open it from here. Oh, there's some facts too. In this, what can we say? In this box, there is 2 pets or 2 animals. So let's reopen. So let us open. Okay, this is our toy. Ooh, can you see it? Here it is. So you can come it up. Here to the other. Let's take this away. This is our 2 pets. As you can see, it's a cat, a blue cat, and also a purple snake. Okay, now let me keep it here. Now let's open our second Littlest Pet Shop. This is our second Littlest Pet Shop. So we open like usual from here. And see the surprise. In here, we got... Ooh! Look at this! I don't know what's this, but if you seen, it looks like a hamster. Okay, let's keep it here. And this one is a cat. It's a cat. Yeah, it's a cat. Look at its tail. It's really sharp, but I don't think it's a cat. But there's so many types of cats, and I don't know them all. So maybe this is one of the cat types. Okay, let's keep it first here. Put it away and open our third Littlest Pet Shop. Ta-da! This is our third Littlest Pet Shop. So we open it from here again. I wish I got the good one. So what we got here is... Oh, it's a teddy bear! What a cute little teddy bear! Look at this. Sorry, it's kind of hard. Oh, it's a really, really cute little teddy bear. Oh, look at its feet. I love it. And now let's open the other one. Let's see what kind of animal it is. This is kind of hard. Oh, it's a bird. Ooh, it's a bird. It's a blue bird. So cute. Look at his color is so beautiful. Her color is so beautiful. Oh, I love this all. Okay, now let's open our fourth Littlest Pet Shop. This is our fourth Littlest Pet Shop. So we open it. I really love Littlest Pet Shop. The animals are all cute. Okay, it's kind of hard here. Okay, it seems we already got this before. Oh, nope, changing my mind. This is a cat. A cat. Meow. But it's colored blue. Kind of blue or green. Maybe it's Tosca. Okay, look at his... What is this? Maybe we can call it shirt. It's colored green. It's good. So we can keep it here. I'm sorry. And we open this one. I think it's a boy. Yeah. It seems it was a cow. Oh, it's a girl. Moo. A yellow cow. So let us keep it here. We got really good animals. Now let us open our 5th Littlest Pet Shop. This is our 5th Littlest Pet Shop. So as usual, we open it from here. What's this? It seems like... Ooh, hold on, I cannot see it clearly. Okay, it's almost out. It's kind of hard. Okay, let's maybe just put it. 1, 2. Okay, so let us see. As you see here, it looks like this is an octopus, and this is a bird. No. It's not a bird, sorry. It's a beaver, or maybe not beaver. What call it that? An otter. Maybe it's an otter. Look at this. This really looks like an otter, right? Okay. So this is it. All of our Littlest Pet Shop. It's all good. I love them and I love their colors. Look at, they're so colorful. So I have 5-pack of Littlest Pet Shop and I really love it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.